Hello, good morning, friends and family. Spirit says it's time for healing, not war. We must learn from the past and cleanse our energy. When we release negativity, the answer to your questions will shine through. We must see the light within ourselves in order to see the light in others. There is happiness and bright prospects coming about now. They say the world awaits you, and you must bring a gentle touch to your life. Stand by your commitments. You're strong enough to keep the promise that you've made. Don't back out now. Your angels believe in you. Finish what you started. You've started something very important, and now it's time to complete it. There are improvements underway, although there's delays as well with improvements. They say, um, what do they say? Oh, they say that there is going to be happy endings and there's always enough. You are a spiritual teacher. Share your wisdom with others. You were born to teach. They say the answer that you are seeking is love. We are all connected with love. They say you must take a massive leap of faith forward. Remember to practice self love. Be here in the now. They want you to know that by purifying your life of negative people, places, and experiences, you attain your true peace. The changes that you are going through are positive. There's money, contentment, and growth and happiness coming in all areas of your life. That's my wish for you. They say there's a secret wish that you've made that is going to be granted soon. Your number card is 1443 and it says life is filled with phases. The angel whisper is telling you to prepare for the unexpected, and allow change to pass through with a sense of peace. Financial and creative changes are upon you. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.